Hello, today I'm going to show you how to adjust cup size to boost your top from my rose cafe pattern. I will show you two options on how to enlarge the cup, but it works opposite as well. S size pattern includes a B size cup. For example, I'm size S but I want a cup for one size bigger, so I print out the M size pattern with the cup C, and the cup fits me. So we have to reduce the size M bodies to the size S, leaving the cup as it is. We will do it from the side seam. We simply have to cut 1 cm from each detail. You cannot cut more than 1 cm. These pieces have to be cut off. Don't forget about seam allowances. I'm just folding one seam allowance, and that's what we have when we sew it. As you can see, we have to smooth the top line. That's it, we have a size S bodice with a cup C. If you want to reduce it more than for one size, you can make the same with a seam on the back. Cut 1 cm from each detail and smooth the upper line. This is a new seam allowance. That's it. If you do both these alterations, we have size XS bodies with a cup C. There's one more option on how to enlarge a cup size. For example, we want size M with a cup D, not C. Now we will alter cup details, not the bodies. So we find a cup seam underwear lines, and we have to add 5 mm from the underwear line to enlarge it for one size. So lower cap details will look like this. Also, don't forget about new seam allowances. Now we have to do the same with the upper detail. These side lines also are underwire lines, so we add 5 mm in the width. So new purple lines are underwire lines and they correspond to these lines and are sewed together, so they should be the same length. Let's measure them. On the center front detail is 12.5. On the side body detail it's 14. On the cap center detail it's 9.5. The side cap detail is 10.5. The upper detail line that goes to the body center is 3.5 and side cap line 3.9. That means that body center line is 26.5 centimeters and on the cap it's 27.4. Difference is 9 millimeters. The simplest we could do is to add this difference to line length from the side. In this case, the cap center seam will not match the body seam, so we lengthen on both sides. There are cap details which will be sewn with body side piece, and there are cap details which will be sewn with body center piece, so I calculate them separately. Turns out we have to add 4 millimeters on the side detail. So I'm adding them like that. I'm calculating and we have to add 5 mm on the center detail. That's new detail edge and new seam allowance. Please check the length from the underbust to the waistline and compare with yours. Also, we have to smooth our upper line where we have done alteration. I'm laying details like the sewn together and drawing new line with new seam allowance. You have situation when your body is already sewn and you can alter only your cup. I suggest you to calculate all the same but reduce the cup by a difference from the upper details top line.